Yo, Street Hawk fam, I'm back with another video. Today I'm not in a different city. I'm home. I'm on vacation, but I'm home. I'm about to just ride around the city a little bit with my guy Chris Prime FRT. Y'all could tune in and follow his YouTube channel. I'm not 100% sure what we're getting into, but I definitely know we're about to go for a ride whenever he come out. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all some content, you know, so I let y'all know I'm staying active and all that. I'm not disappearing. I'm not doing none of that. Yeah, but it's definitely going to be, I'm going to get some good footage for y'all. My fault. I keep looking back because this dude act like I don't know how to fucking drive. Out of all the places to do a U-turn, you do it next to my car. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all some content for the day, some pools and all that good shit. But yeah, we're gonna see what today holds in store for us. That's how easy this shit is to pop out. Or how easy it
Wish it should zoomed out. Oh, there we go.
shit took no time.
I bet that shit was that fucked up.
Yeah, all for that one snowball, but it was only this piece.
Okay, that one
That's
part.
the only piece. Nothing on here. That one piece.
I wonder if we gotta even pop the hood. You might be able to just pop it back in there.
Like I said, I was going to get red.
Oh yeah, what happened with that? You didn't get it?
No, I was you was there, right? You was at work when I was indecisive about it?
Yeah, I saw when you was looking it up. I thought you was gonna do it. Oh no, you said you wanted to just paint it if you was ever gonna do it.
Yeah, I couldn't pull the trigger myself. Oh, this the new one.
Yeah.
I'm tripping.
Where you put the old one at?
In here.
Oh, alright.
I was tripping. I might be able to.
Huh? His is 3.6. Mine 5.7. Yeah. Ah shit.
Still missing something.
Ah shit.
I might gotta.
They match the same thing? Why that shit ain't just pop up?
Might have been a seal wrong with it or something. Here's the thing. Everything goes.
Yeah, I like the same job.
Unless I might gotta pop it.
Unless it ain't really much holding that shit in, but them
fitted.
parts just being plugged in.
This is the one I definitely don't.
Yeah, I want to say, yeah, be cautious about trying not to break them, you know. Oh, you know what?
Might still not be in.
Hold this real quick. Oh, somebody get it before. I think I know what to do. Oh, you might be on there.
I knew that was the part that was supposed to be, and I knew I was doing it wrong. Sturdy with it.
Feel like it's quick, man.
Little shit, nothing crazy. Oh yeah, that's in there. Alright, so you just had to push this part down and get it up under and get this part up on top. So now, back in action. Now I still gotta do my other idea that I wanted, that I was talking about. I'll talk about that later. It's Chris Prime, FRT. Charge that shit up. The Instagram. That 5.7. But they would want to do this shit. I'm getting my inspection on Tuesday finally. Dog, don't ask me. Like I said, finally.
Expiration sticker in like January, and I get tagged back until like July.
Shit, January? You see what it is now? March.
Hey, you pushing it? You coming real close to me?
March. This is 21. See that? You see that? You see that? Oh shit, she got some copyright on. I'm learning my copyright. I gotta turn this shit off. Yo, so me and my guy charged up Shadow. We on our way to, not exactly sure where, but we're on our way to Delaware. Just to take a drive to get away from the city for a minute. But yeah, that's him behind me in the louvers. Yeah, right there. That's him. But yeah, we just driving. He ain't gonna pass me because he don't know where we're going. say that shit every time. But yeah, we just moving through traffic. Well, I don't know. I move a little bit more. Everybody don't. But that's just how I drive. I bounce around. I do it safe though. But I definitely bounce around. Oh, he behind me. But yeah, wherever we pull up to in Delaware, I'll come back. It'll probably be a park or something, because I think the mall out this way closed in like 30 minutes. So whenever I pull up is when I pull up. You need gas? I'm gonna need some in a minute. But the park up here to the right, it's like 2 more lights. I knew you was gonna do that shit. Yo, so me and my boy Chris Prom pulled up to the park out in Delaware and shit that I come to from time to time. But yeah, we came out here to get some pics of the cars. So you that had just got surgery, you doing pretty good with your leg, my brother. Y'all seen him? He was like, but hey, he healed. He back and healed, so but yeah, we just came out here to get some pics. Gotta get them wheels. Not me though. I'm not getting my wheels. My shit ain't never right. My car dirty as fuck, but I was about to say it looked clean, but now it don't. But yeah, you see me. So if you ain't peep, YouTube, Wicker Bill, Instagram, side windows. Yeah, I mean, Chris Prime FRT, forever running this. That's the YouTube. Charged Up Shadow is the Instagram right here. He can get his wheels. His wheels beyond mean. Mine only looking like that because he sprayed them, but you see the rest of that shit. Let me get back over here. No disrespect. I gotta let my the decal on the side not get wet or wipe it down and none of that for like 2 days, so that's what I'm waiting for. Yeah, like I said, like I said, I just wanted to give y'all a little content. Anybody want to play football, basketball, soccer, tennis, get on the swings, tennis, or what's the other joint? I forgot the other joint. Let me know. I'll be at the parks with all that. I'm down for whatever sports. Hit me up. But yeah, that's it for this video. I'm gonna holler at y'all.